Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to start Shopify store and make money. First of all, what you need to do is simply head over to online store section once you are inside your dashboard of Shopify, and from here choose a theme. So I'm going to be changing a theme. You can see we have this theme over here, and we can also customize our theme, or simply you can see we have theme files and everything. So here it is, Horizon. So you have multiple different themes as well. So let's just say we can add this one. This is by Shopify, and let's just edit this. So you can start your let's just say online store related to your food or whatever you are trying to sell and make money. So you can also head over to the link in the description below to get 3 months Shopify for just $1. So once your Shopify basically theme gets ready, you need to click on this customize option, and over here you can add elements. Let's just say you need to change the store to anything that you like. So let's just say my well or welcome to amazing store. So this is just for example. You can customize anything. You can see we have image in the background. We can change that as well. You have your image. You can select your files or simply upload from different libraries, and you can upload anything that you like. You can customize your products. You can add your pages. So this is your header, footer, and your templates. You can see basically this is for the customization. You have your pages. You can add pages from your main section. So over here you can see we have apps. We can use different kind of apps as well. So all of this is going to be ending up making you amazing store that you can use to sell and earn money. So this is basically it. I hope this helps. See you in the next video.